Alright guys, so the first thing I did was use concealer to conceal my eyelids. I used this concealer because I actually didn't have any eyeshadow base, and I personally think that this works as well. Secondly, I used an eyeshadow brush in a size small to apply my eyeshadow. And now I'm going to apply this purple eyeshadow above the crease of my eyelids. And now I'm going to just use this red eyeshadow and apply it at the end of my eyelids. Now I'm just going to use this orange eyeshadow and apply it to the middle of my eyelids. And now I'm just trying to blend it into the red. Now I'm going to follow up with this yellow eyeshadow and apply this to the corner of my eyelids. I actually thought this was looking too plain, so I then went back in with this glitter eyeshadow and applied it over the purple eyeshadow. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.